Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in Qatar. So let's get started. So here you have to just open your google.com, and at here you will likely search for top business bank list in Qatar. Okay. So here we can see. So the first bank is your Qatar National Bank. Then we have the Qatar Islamic Bank and the Mazraf Al Rayan, another bank. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in a Qatar National Bank. Okay, so we'll directly go to their website. So from here you have the option called as business. You will click on here and you will just go to the online account opening. Okay, so from here you can just open online account also. So opening account will require you uh, like tax card, your AOC document, and other some other document will be required. Then you can open it. So we'll just click on here at apply online. So like it is not now clickable, like it's something issue. Okay, so from there you can open it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.